Coral reefs are rocky mounds and ridges formed in the sea by living things through the accumulation and deposition of limestone. Coral reefs are located in tropical oceans near the equator. They are found in more than 100 countries. The largest coral reef is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Other reefs are found in Central America, Hawaii, the Red Sea, and others. All these coral reefs make the size of France.
The climate of the coral reef are normally found in the tropical and semi-tropical areas of the world, where water temperature ranges in the 70 and 80 Fahrenheit. However, there are some corals in the North Atlantic termed cold water. The optimal temperature for coral usually occurs within 30 degrees latitude of the equator. Climate change stresses corals because they are very sensitive to changes in temperature. The ocean absorbs approximately one-third of the additional CO2 generated every year by human activities, making the ocean more acidic.
In the kingdom of coral reefs, there are 4 groups of inhabitants. Fish are the most colorful and diverse vertebrate animal. There is a real function behind each of these designs. The red colors help them to get unseen, and the stripes allow a fish to get camouflage. 700 species are found in the Indo-Pacific Ocean, 155 in the Atlantic Ocean, and 60 species in the Caribbean Sea. The most common fish are cloud triggerfish, orange-green triggerfish, and falco hawkfish.
In the coral reefs we can find dugongs, which are vertebrate marine mammals. They are known as sea cows because their diet mainly consists of seagrass. Their tail is like the whale's one. They live around warm waters around the coast. Human activities such as coastal pollution have contributed to the disappearance of these animals. It is feared that they may soon become extinct. In coral reefs we can also find mollusks, which are the largest divisions in the animal kingdom. They are solid organisms with a muscular foot and a mantle. Most mollusks have a cell, but a few have internalized it. Coral reef mollusks are mainly invertebrates, but some are water swimmers as well. There are 3 main types: cephalopods, gastropods, and bivalves.
Other essential inhabitants are the sea worms. They are a large and varied group of inhabitants belonging to a group called Annelida. They are serpentic worms. Some of these inhabitants are really small and they live inside the sand. Other bigger worms live very deep in the ocean. It exists about 7,000 species described, of which 1,393 are found in Mexico. The most common ones are flatworm, marine worm, and spaghetti worm. Although some people think that the sponges are not animals, they are also inhabitants of the kingdom of coral reefs. Sponges are actually one of the most primitive animals. They belong to a group called Reefs A. Most of them are relatively small. Sponges are marine invertebrates without tissues and organs. There are 9,000 species around the world. The most common ones are fish sponge, tube sponge, and encrusting sponge.
In this ecosystem, corals are essential. They are tiny and soft-bodied organisms which have a hard, protective limestone skeleton. This forms the structure of coral reefs. Reefs begin when a polyp attaches itself to a rock on the seafloor and then divides into thousands of clones. They also have venomous tentacles to catch food.
In the coral reef are different types of plants. The most common plants are algae. Algae are simple plants, very diverse and found almost everywhere on the planet. Algae are widely distributed within coral reef ecosystem. An example of an algae is Sucenselae. They are microscopic and it provides oxygen and food to the corals. Another important plants are seagrasses. These plants live in salt water. Seagrasses have flowers and roots. They are found in shallow coastal waters. Since they are flowering plants, seagrasses reproduce by pollinating flowers and sending out seeds. Unfortunately, seagrasses are in trouble. Each year, 1.5% disappear. Nowadays, there are 1,500.